Sarah works on a production line. This is called piecework, where you get paid for every item that you do. In a factory, and she's paid 43 pence for each box she packs. How much is she paid? How many pence? 4, 3, yeah. So how much would she get paid in 1 week if she packed 1,120 boxes? So the sum would be 1, 1, 2, 0 times by 4, 3. Good. You do it really times by 0.43. Can you work that one out in your head or not? 4, 3. We've done the 0.43. Leaning on me like that isn't really helping, is it? Try again then. What's the answer? 1120 times 0.43 equals 481. 481 point.
No.
481.60. 481 pounds 60. Okay. Very good.
Oh,
So
and
let's do some other examples of some other things then. So that's a little bit about working out how much you'd earn. What about how much you'd earn on an investment? Okay, so this is called simple interest. Right. And simple interest is just really working out adding on the percentage interest earned over the time that the money's been invested. Right. So if we had £300, what are you doing with that? Hey, give me that end bit. If we had £300 and you were earning 6% per annum, that's per year, over 2 years, what would the interest be? See if we can work it out. What do you think you'd do? Give me the sum. 3, 0. This will be about 5 minutes yet. 300. Yeah. Times 6. Yeah. Let's write that one down. 300 times 6 divided by 100. Too rough, let's go. Divided by 100, and remember it was the amount of time it was invested, 2 years, so it would be times 2. Okay. So. Do you know what the answer is? 3. Not 3, 5. 3. 3. 3. I think you were trying to go there. 3, 6. Yeah. £36. So that's nice and easy, isn't it? Yeah, what about if it wasn't over a full year? So let's say you had £4,000, right? At 11% per per annum, that's per year, but you were only investing it for 5 months. Right, so what would the sum be? The sum would be 4, 1, 0, 0, 4,000, yeah. Write that one down. 4,000 times 1, 11, yes.
1.
Very good. Times 11 divided by 1, 0, 0. Good. Times by 5. Good. Times by 5. Divided by,
Okay. Yeah.
divided by, divided by, one, 2, 12. Very good. That would be the sum. Now let's just break it down and work it out. So what would 11%? Thank you. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
No. Come on then. What would 11% of 4,000 be? What would 11% of 4,000 be? It would be 4, 4, 4, 4, 0. Yeah. So 11% of 4,000 would be 440. 440 times by 5 would be 2, 2, 2, 2, 0, 0, divided by 12. Oh, excuse me, it would be 183, 183, and we'll use that one for a point, we'll use that one for a point, 183.3,
Yeah.
0.3, come on, 3 what? 0.33, yeah. 183.3, so that's the answer, that's what the interest that you'd earn would be. Very good. Alright, we'll do one more example of simple interest then. Let's just say that you had £7,000 at 6 3/4% per annum for 3 years. I wonder if you can work this one out. So 6 3/4 is like 6.75. I wonder if you can work out what it would be over 1 year. What would 6 3/4% of £7,000 be over 1 year? Hang on a minute. I'll have to do it on the calculator. 7,000.
Yeah.
Just wait a minute.
One.
Yeah. One more minute, yeah. Go on, and I wonder if you can work it out. 6 3/4% of £7,000 is what? 4, 7, 6. No, it's not 476. It is a hard one to do. It's 472. Right, 472 point what? 5 0. Oh, blimey, Christopher, how do you know that? Times by 3, because it's over 3 years, would be, come on. Come on, mister, just finish this example. We'll get all these easy ones done and then we can move on to some hard stuff. Come on. Chris, come on. So we had 47250. That was for 1 year. So for 3 years, that would equal 1, 4, 1, 7, 0.50. Yeah. Okay, let's do another one, harder one. Right, we've got 125,000 at 6.95% for 18 months. Okay.
Well.
Oh, thanks, mate. Oh, thanks. It's lovely. A lovely gentle hug.
1 minute.
Let's see if we
1
can.
minute.
1 more minute, yeah. Let's see if we can do this on the table. Oh, Christmas! I know that's the table that we put the Christmas tree on. And one day after Christmas, we took all the decorations down, and Dad put them in the loft.
Mama.
Yeah. Okay. You help. So come on, let's do this one. 125,000 at 6.95%. So over 1 year, that would give you what? 8, 6, 8, 6, 8, 7, point 5, yeah, 8687.5, we'll call it 0.50. So over 18 months, over 18 months, that would be what? 1, 3. No, well, okay, well let's just break it down a bit then, if that's a bit too hard. So let's say, there's a couple of, how would you work out the sum then? How would you do it for working it out over 18 months? So you've got 8687.5. What would you do? Nine. Just wait a minute. Trying to work out what you're doing.
You told me that was the only way they could keep the place on. My father-in-law caught the costumes. Jenny's been worried sick about it. You've got this all the wrong way around. What's he stop there for? He's totally useless if you're working out his clues. He does not.
12. Okay, well 1, 2, 3 is not been. So far we've got 1 year's worth of interest would be 13031.25. We want to know what 18 months. Oh no, that's not it. Sorry. We've got 1 year's was 8687.5, and we want to get to 18 months worth. So if you get that much over 1 year, I guess if you were to add another half on again, that would give you what you'd get over 18 months, wouldn't it? So what's half of 8687.5? 8687.50 divided by 2 equals what? 4, 3. Come on, you're not concentrating here. You're all sloppy. Come on. 4, 3. Come on up. Choose this one. Make it clearer. 4, 3. 4, 3. And we'll use that one for the point. Point 7, 5. Yeah, very good. So 8, 6. Finish the sum. 87.50 plus 43.75 equals 1, 3. Good. 3. Good. 0, 3, 1. We'll use that for point. Point 2, 5. Well done. Yeah, very good. So that's simple interest done. We haven't got any problem with that. Okay. So let's do one little bit more. Turn that page over. We'll do compound interest. Okay, compound interest is basically it means that each year you add the interest on to the original amount. So you're earning interest on your interest effectively. Right? So if you were earning like 10% interest, you'd get... Wait a minute, it won't take 1 minute. So if you were earning like 10% interest, so you had £100 invested over 3 years at 10% interest. After 1 year, you'd get £10. So then, when you work out your interest for the next year, you'd have to work out 10% interest on £110. And then on the next year, you'd have to work out 10% interest on, and it would be the next amount up. So let's just write it all out and we'll do a little example and it should all become clear. So the example that we're going to do is £3,000 at 8% per annum, compounded over 3 years. Come on then. And there's a there's a really neat and easy way of doing this, right? So we're on £3,000, 8% per annum, compounded over 3 years. Now, if you think about it, so it's going to increase by 8% each year. So it's going to it's going to become 108%. Yeah? So all we have to do is take the 3,000, right, and times it by 1.08 cubed. Three, 1, 2, 3. Let me just see. Let go of me. Times by 1.08 times 1.08 times 1.08 equals.
Let's just say we have one person. You know what he said. Because I told you I saw stuff in your back then.
1, 2,
I believe you're running for a girl's nest. The road running very dodgy and used to it. Ah, yes, right.
So if you do it once.
Is Jenny in trouble?
Okay, yeah, so if you did 3,000 times by 1.08, the answer would be 3, 2,
Not being fair.
Come on. 4, yeah. And 3, 2, 4, and if you times that by 1.08, would equal.
Are you in trouble too? No. They had to let me know since you said you
3, 4, good. 3, 4. 3, 4. Come on, 3, 4. 9, 9.2. And if you times that by 1.08, would equal. Three, 7, 7. That's right. 9, 7, 9.1. Oh, okay, yeah. 3, 7, 7, 9.14. That's the answer. It looks like you know how to do compound interest as well. Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah? Go on then, go and have a little bit on the computer.